In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix PrimeXBT app login problem. First of all, make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is not solved, there might be some problem with the credentials. So in that case, what you have to do is open the PrimeXBT application. You can see over here it has been opened. Tap on the option login that you can see at the bottom. Now you'll be led to the login interface. Try checking the credentials. Make sure you've entered the correct credentials. If you're confused regarding your password, what you can do is tap on this option forget password that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to reset the password. All you have to do is enter your email address over here. After you do that, tap on the next option. A code will be sent to your email and you'll be able to restore the access to your account. So like this too, your problem should be fixed. But if the problem is not incorrect credentials, what you can do is simply try updating the app. Sometimes there might be some bugs in the application. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in PrimeXBT. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for PrimeXBT and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and your problem should be solved. But still, if you're not being able to log into your account, what you have to do is clear the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find this application for PrimeXBT and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Over here, you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now the cache of the PrimeXBT application will be cleared and your problem should be solved. Try logging into your account again and your problem will be solved. But still, if the problem is not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem will surely be solved. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart the device, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. Now all the temporary software glitches will be fixed and you should be able to log in to your account. So that is how you fix PrimeXBT app login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.